Oh my god, look at those flags, boys! What's up, guys? What you doing? Ah! Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today, I am back on the radio. You know, you get me? Hopefully, I can get to the airport today and get some pictures with the bike without there being rain. Oh my god, look at those flags, boys! Why is there roadworks here? Like, what is actually going on for them to have a traffic light here? Look at these bumps in the road, man. They're absolutely awful. You know what? I might see if my mate's out today to see if we can go for a ride or something. That would be sick. Oh, it just jumped out of gear. What's that, guys? Oh, looks like we got a girl racer on our hands. Oh, she's good. Nah, she's good. Oi, boys! Crazy! Yes, sir! Okay, I can't lie, this song that I'm listening to right now is a bit whack. Put it on! God damn, the echo down here is bonkers. God, this guy all over the road. Yeah, what he can't drive for his goddamn life. God, I love being on a sport bike. If I was on my naked, I would not have been able to get through that. What a bellend! Oh, we got a little parking traffic warden. How many mopeds does one house need? God damn. Oh, there is some police. Oh, that guy was staring at me though. Oh, I ain't got my halo lights on. Okay, I can't lie. I think we're gonna go into Tesco's and get some drink. Come on, good boy. Ah! Like a gladiator. Hey! Hey! Hello, chair. Oh my god! Planes! But it's mine now. me again. Selena, I recover, remind me again. Should've seen the way that wonder. I recover, remind me again. Should've seen the way that wonder arched up. In a road from I might be asleep. Clean up, had to do it, she might be a thief. With nothing's a disaster. Look at this 125 climbing up this steep hill like that. Can't we go up there? Oh, sorry. Are we not able to go up there?
You didn't park downstairs.
Was that?
You can park downstairs.
No, I want to go to the top level, can I?
Okay, go there.
Yeah?
Park it anywhere that you don't block the car, okay?
Yeah, I'm just taking some pictures and that's it, yeah? Thank you, mate.